Hello, this is Rubaiyat. Welcome to another tutorial from my Tutorville. This is the second part of manually install WordPress. In this tutorial, I'll select a web server and then create a database for the WordPress that we are going to install. We will use WAMP server for this tutorial. WAMP stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP. You can install these in your computer where WAMP will mimic an actual web server. As WordPress uses MySQL database and written in PHP, this web server is a perfect solution. You can download and install WAMP server from wampserver.com. Now that we have selected a web server, let's move to the next step. In this step, we will create database. WordPress saves data and part of software code in the database tables. If you have no experience working with database, that is fine. I will show you how to create a database. It is surprisingly easy. Let's create the database. Open WAMP server and then open phpMyAdmin. Look at the right side of this page. The video shows you step by step on how to create a database using WAMP server. We enter the name of the database under the Create Database section. We are calling it my-w-site-db. You can name it anything you want. Now you know how to create database for WordPress. We have two more steps left, which we will cover in the next tutorial, where we will collect WordPress software and then we will install it. This is the end of part 2 of 3 of manually install WordPress. In the next tutorial, we'll complete step 2, 3 and 4. To begin, please select manually install WordPress part 3 of 3 from the list. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, My Tutorville, and stay in touch for more tutorials.